We're diving into a topic that could be a game changer for your personal and professional life: the benefits of being a creative thinker. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, problem solver, or someone who simply enjoys exploring new ideas, creativity is a superpower that can enhance almost every aspect of your life. But what exactly makes creative thinking so valuable? How does it boost your productivity, improve decision-making, and even lead to better mental health? Stick with us as we explore why creative thinking is not just for artists or inventors, but something we can all develop and benefit from in our daily lives. Let's unlock the potential of your creative mind. What is creative thinking? Creative thinking isn't just about coming up with wild or artistic ideas. It's about looking at problems, challenges, or opportunities from new perspectives and generating innovative solutions. It's the ability to think outside the box, make connections between seemingly unrelated concepts, and approach situations with flexibility and open-mindedness. Creative thinkers are adaptable, curious, and willing to take risks. They question the status quo and aren't afraid of failure because they see mistakes as part of the learning process. This type of thinking isn't limited to art, music, or writing. It applies to everything from business strategy and science to everyday problem solving in your personal life. The key benefits of being a creative thinker. Now that we've defined creative thinking, let's dive into the major benefits of developing this skill in your life. 1. Enhanced problem-solving skills. One of the most significant advantages of creative thinking is its impact on problem solving. When faced with a challenge, creative thinkers don't just rely on traditional methods or tried-and-true solutions. Instead, they generate fresh, innovative approaches that others might overlook. This ability to think outside the box often leads to breakthroughs in business, science, technology, and even personal life. For example, think of how creative problem solvers like Elon Musk or Steve Jobs revolutionized entire industries by finding innovative solutions to existing problems. Whether you're running a business, managing a team, or navigating a complex personal issue, creative thinking will allow you to come up with solutions that are both effective and unique. 2. Boosted productivity. Contrary to popular belief, creativity and productivity go hand in hand. Many people think that being creative slows things down or takes time away from getting things done. But in reality, creative thinkers are often more productive because they come up with smarter, more efficient ways to accomplish their goals. When you approach tasks creatively, you find new methods or tools that help you streamline your work, break free from repetitive cycles, and avoid burnout. Instead of getting stuck in a routine, creative thinkers experiment with different strategies, keeping their work fresh and exciting. This ability to innovate can lead to higher levels of productivity and achievement, especially in complex or dynamic environments. 3. Improved mental flexibility. Creativity opens the mind to new possibilities, helping you become more flexible in your thinking. This mental flexibility allows you to pivot easily when faced with change or uncertainty, making you more adaptable in various situations. It's a critical skill in today's fast-paced world, where industries, technologies, and even social norms are constantly evolving. Being a creative thinker enables you to embrace change, welcome challenges, and view them as opportunities rather than setbacks. Whether you're learning a new skill, tackling a different career path, or facing unexpected life changes, creative thinking will help you stay resilient and adaptable. 4. Better decision-making. Decision-making is a part of everyday life, and being a creative thinker can significantly improve the quality of your decisions. Rather than seeing things as black and white, creative thinkers explore multiple perspectives and alternatives before making a choice. This ability to consider different angles and evaluate options with an open mind often leads to more thoughtful, well-rounded decisions. Moreover, creative thinkers are less afraid of uncertainty or failure. They understand that not all decisions will have perfect outcomes, but they're willing to experiment and learn from their experiences. This makes them more confident decision-makers, able to act quickly when needed while still weighing the potential risks and rewards. 5. Increased emotional intelligence. Creative thinking also fosters emotional intelligence by encouraging empathy and understanding. When you engage in creative problem solving, you're more likely to consider how others might feel or react to certain situations. You develop a better sense of empathy, which enhances your interpersonal skills and helps you connect more effectively with others. This is especially valuable in professional environments, where collaboration and teamwork are essential. By thinking creatively, you can better understand the perspectives of your colleagues, clients, or customers, making it easier to find solutions that benefit everyone involved. 6. Enhanced innovation and leadership skills. Creativity and leadership often go hand in hand. Leaders who think creatively inspire innovation within their teams and organizations. They encourage out-of-the-box thinking, which leads to groundbreaking ideas and approaches. These leaders foster an environment where creativity flourishes, and team members feel empowered to contribute their unique perspectives. Whether you're leading a team or simply influencing others in your personal or professional life, developing your creative thinking skills will make you a more effective and inspiring leader. Creative leaders not only solve problems but also motivate others to think bigger and aim higher. 7. Reduce stress and improved mental health. Lastly, engaging in creative activities or thinking creatively can have significant mental health benefits. Studies have shown that creativity helps reduce stress, as it allows people to express themselves in new ways and find healthy outlets for their emotions. Creative thinkers are often more resilient in the face of stress because they can view problems as opportunities to find new solutions rather than as insurmountable obstacles. Additionally, creative thinking often involves activities that bring joy and fulfillment, whether it's painting, writing, brainstorming, or solving puzzles. These activities help improve overall mental well-being by promoting mindfulness, relaxation, and a sense of accomplishment. How to develop creative thinking skills. You might be wondering, how can I become a more creative thinker? The good news is that creativity isn't an innate talent. It's a skill that can be developed and strengthened over time. Here are a few ways you can boost your creative thinking abilities. 1. Challenge yourself. Regularly engage in activities that push you out of your comfort zone. Whether it's learning a new skill, taking on a complex project, or exploring a new hobby. 2. Stay curious. Ask questions, explore new ideas, and maintain a sense of wonder about the world around you. Curiosity is the driving force behind creativity. 3. Embrace failure. Don't be afraid to fail. Some of the most creative breakthroughs come from experimenting, making mistakes, and learning from them. 4. Surround yourself with inspiration. Spend time with creative people, read books, watch movies, or visit museums that stimulate your imagination. 5. Practice brainstorming. Regularly set aside time to brainstorm ideas without judgment. Let your mind wander freely, and don't limit yourself to practical or realistic thoughts. The wilder, the better. The incredible benefits of being a creative thinker. From boosting your productivity to enhancing your problem-solving skills and even improving your mental health. Creativity is a vital tool for living a more fulfilling and successful life. If you want to unlock your creative potential, start practicing today by trying new things, asking more questions, and embracing the joy of thinking outside the box. What's your favorite way to tap into your creativity? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into developing a creative, fulfilling mindset. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.